Well, yes, like we are telling to our viewers as to how COVID relaxations were given there in the state of Kerala. Eid relaxations were in fact given, and after that we saw a certain spike in the state of Kerala. To speak on this, we are joined by MOS MEA V. Muralidharan, who also hails from the state of Kerala. Sir, because of these relaxations, so those were given in the state of Kerala, we have seen as to how huge spike was recorded. But as of now, there is no answer coming in from the Kerala government.
Kerala government has tried to utilize this pandemic for political benefits. That's the whole purpose of the relaxations. In fact, there was a fake propaganda right from the beginning of the pandemic, when the Kerala government said that we have contained the COVID and the cases are very low. It is due to our effective management. The real reason behind that is, if the ICMR had given the instruction that it should be test, track, treat. That is the formula. But Kerala government said that no, we are not testing. We are first tracing, tracking, and then only we will do it. So, test, trace, treat. That formula was not applied. Now, for relaxation also, the unscientific methodology is being adopted. So, the whole reason behind the spike in Kerala is the unscientific management of treating COVID. That is the basic thing. And of course, along with that, the relaxation that is being given, that is on pure political and vote bank considerations.
But there is no hue and cry on this. We have seen the similar thing happening on Kumbh. We have seen the similar thing happening on Kamar Yatra, but not on this.
That shows the double standard that the Congress is adopting. Congress is the principal opposition party in Kerala. The House is meeting there. But we don't see any hue and cry being raised by Congress within the Kerala Legislative Assembly. One reason for that is Muslim League is part of the United Democratic Front that Congress is leading. So Congress has one approach towards Kumbh Mela, one approach towards Kavadi Yatra, but another approach regarding Eid. Because they feel that pays them politically.
So do you think that Congress party and other opposition political parties must raise this issue because it, at the end of the day, concerns the people there in the state of Kerala?
See, we have been raising it right from when the decision was taken. BJP had opposed. Not because we have any particular opposition towards any particular community, but pandemic should be considered, pandemic should be approached not on political considerations, but on health conditions, on the basis of the scientific methodology. Congress should come to that stand, even at the national level also. PM has been saying that this is an issue that concerns the humanity. Don't politicize the pandemic. This is what I want to request the Kerala Chief Minister as well as the Congress party.
But the Congress party is not letting the parliament even to function. They are raising the fake Pegasus theory. They are raising other things also, but they are not raising these issues. Those concern the common man.
In that context, I want to quote yesterday's Supreme Court verdict. Supreme Court said that in the name of privilege of the elected representative, you can't have vandalism within the House. This was mentioned by the Supreme Court yesterday in the context of the Kerala Legislative Assembly, but that applies for the Parliament also. That vandalism, don't indulge in vandalism. You can have your views, you can express your views, but don't indulge in vandalism. Congress is trying to do that vandalism within the House, within the Parliament, and at the same time, the real issues of the people, like the spike in Kerala, that is not being raised by Congress, not only at the national level, even at the state level also.
So last thing I would ask, do you think that Congress party is trying to appease the Muslim League there? That is why this is happening?
No, there is no such doubt about that. Because Muslim League, see, the Congress decision is dictated by the Muslim League. I won't say that appease the Muslim League. In fact, Muslim League is dictating the stand that the Congress has to take in Kerala.
Sir, may I take one question on US Secretary meeting? Okay. Also, sir, last thing, sir, do you think that other issues, this issue should be raised and Congress must specifically raise this in the state of Kerala?
Definitely, Congress should play the role of its of principal opposition party in Kerala. They are the people who have been elected by the people of Kerala to the Legislative Assembly to set right the wrongdoings and the anti-people stand that and the policies that the government will adopt. So the Congress has that responsibility. If they don't fulfill that responsibility, it means that they are failing the role of, they are a failure to perform the role of opposition also.
Also, if I can ask in Hindi, जो पूरा हुआ है सारा प्रकरण, लगातार जो मामले बढ़ते आ रहे हैं केरला के अंदर, उसको लेकर कांग्रेस पार्टी बिल्कुल चुप है, लेकिन अलग जो इश्यूज हैं, चाहे वो पैकेजेस की हम बात करें, चाहे हम किसान बिलों की बात करें, उसको लेकर लगातार हमलावर और पार्लियामेंट तक नहीं चलने दे रही कांग्रेस पार्टी. क्या कहेंगे आप पूरे
केरल में कांग्रेस सीपीएम के साथ एक समझौता बनाया हुआ है. इसलिए यद्यपि वो विपक्ष में है, तो उनका विपक्ष का नेता पहले से कह चुका है कि हम सीपीएम के खिलाफ बहुत बड़ा आंदोलन कुछ करने वाले नहीं है. हम विपक्ष के नाते हम मुद्दा उठाएंगे, हम उनके ध्यान में लाएंगे, उसके खिलाफ कोई आंदोलन नहीं करेंगे. अभी विषय क्या है कि लगभग 20,000 से ज़्यादा डेली केसेस हो रहा है कोविड में, और फिर भी कांग्रेस चुप है. और उसका कारण यह है कि केसेस बढ़ने का कारण ईद के समय जो रिलैक्सेशन दिया गया था, और ईद के विषय में कांग्रेस कुछ कह नहीं पा रहे, क्योंकि कांग्रेस का क्या रवैया होना चाहिए ये निर्णय कांग्रेस नहीं लेते हैं, ये निर्णय मुस्लिम लीग लेते हैं केरल में. इसलिए मुस्लिम लीग से जब तक कांग्रेस उनके स्टैंड के विषय में जो फ्री नहीं हो सकता है, कांग्रेस एक ऑपोजिशन पार्टी, विपक्ष का पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के नाते उनसे जो रोल एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं लोग, वो कर नहीं पाएंगे.
लेकिन बहुत हंगामा इस पूरे मुद्दे को लेकर नहीं हो रहा है. हमने हंगामा देखा कांवड़ यात्रा को लेकर हुआ, हंगामा देखा जो कुंभ मेला हुआ उसको लेकर अब तक, लेकिन इसके ऊपर एकदम कांग्रेस पार्टी और दूसरी विपक्ष पार्टी की अगर बात करें तो वो भी एकदम चुप्पी से आते हैं.
नहीं, ये इस विषय में, क्योंकि कांग्रेस का तो नीति है, ये रवैया है, ये पहले से हमने देख चुका है कि वो राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर हो या प्रदेश में हो, केरल में हो, तो क्योंकि इसलिए कांवड़ यात्रा हो या कुंभ मेला हो, बाकी सब विषय है. यानी इस देश के 80% 85% समाज का इश्यूज पर कांग्रेस क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, लेकिन जब मुस्लिम लीग का विषय आता है तो कांग्रेस चुप रहता है, क्योंकि उसका कारण यह है कि उनको लगता है कि मुस्लिम लीग उनके साथ हर समय रहेगा.
आप मानते हैं कि एक वर्ग को अपीज करने की कोशिश हमेशा की जाती है?
बिल्कुल यही हो रहा है. कांग्रेस का वो कांग्रेस का जीन्स में है, ये उनका प्रॉब्लम.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने के लिए. कैमरा पर्सन विवेक के साथ मैं पीयूष मिश्रा, रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क.